is crazy.
Yep, very.
Huh?
Very.
Very crazy, eh? This is crazy. What do we say in these cases, Johnny? Blizzard! See, the car's stuck, eh? Wow! What? Go! Oh boy! Bus stop here! Oh boy! Look at this! Man!
It's too much.
It's too much!
It's
huh?
too much.
It's awesome! Ninja!
Fire hydrant.
What?
Fire hydrant.
It's not there! Look at my feet!
Yeah, it's too much.
It's too much, huh?
Yep.
Awesome! Blizzard! This is awesome! We are nuts, eh? It's more than 1 foot, right?
Yep.
Almost 1.5 meters or something?
Yep.
Whoa! Wow! Look at that, Johnny! The wind. Man, this is nuts, eh? We never had something like this, right?
Yeah, we have.
Not in 1999, eh?
67.
What?
67 and 99.
1999.
Plus, it was your ideal to come out here, so something is wrong with you.
Sure it is. I love you too. This is crazy.